Straight from Kwahu, yeah, by studios, Kokumlemle fan of our streets. Yeah, Mama Chain, and Mama Kaba Sonko, and Badwam Ahosepe, my dear, so world of entertainment. Dear Chegu, dear Fata Unino Sumono, Jadibi Somo, being the Sandra or Hime Ametiwa. Ajimay Adom, entertainment, I'm a Ghana for Chimwa.
When you start sending her, where do you die or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
Yes,
where you guy? Where you guy? Where you guy? Where you guy? Where you guy?
Can us no marry show birthday and no man show. Or more show, or my show. Ah, can war film pa because hey, I was smoking or woman say making or smoking. Happy birthday to you. Osmosis, I was spelling me see. Nyamin show. They say, "Odini kwa yokumi na washe da no komi." Oh, osmo nyamin show. I quite me pie gentle. Woman semano. Yay, ajimedi esan. Ken nyamin show. Osmo bon sem woni o. Boy ya de dia ya me osmo bon sem osmosis ni. Or has a senior sound engineer, Pastor Chief, right hand man. Nyamin show, pa from all of us here. Boy, no, boy, we say see what but tre. Or no pet and then fidie no nimna. It's easier with me, yeah, magic. Oh, osmo bom ya do. Yay, osmo bom money. Happy birthday, Nyamin show, man, for 20 hodin woman. I'm Mr. Weber, wabejinema, and that's what you mean. What you man, I'm a 10 from all of us, every department. Men shows will be being a boy who has somebody biaka. Say fear having no age 14 good years, own conto quad da. What Buma, Yamin shout, Yamin shout. Yes, was sorry, really is was sorry. After young straight to and then 7 about son, I know. I quite say your industry, no. A bit more the year pampana. I quite to say, be more Eddie, I for the agro. Or more the year to say, visual arts for classroom. Say me na be home econs. Na visual arts for twice to kumaka. Dede bia nye home econs na visual art. Sana si some person or more no. Ade enchi na obi ayi PR. Ade enchi obi so me hwan PR. Ayam piasa na mototo. And na obi nyom ekwoja asa. Hwan na ka kire o sa abaya. Hwan na to sa nkra ne ma. Just say Adia chia wodwen ho like you can't think far. Enti industry no. So obi antie obi so amfra. What is in ye hunana? Hey, yes we wash am so sama adwen because akwa say adia chi bia obi pese or stepping on Shatawale toes. But SM fans they say boot for boot e di bra ba they say no. Ye ni abra yen so sa na man so kra because Shatawale Wabonyum for how many years? Shatawale one of those guys going promo. Shatawale onye promo. Ontwi a TikTok e bia kasa won fa na nyom nsada ba nyom na de no hobeko. Shatawale no ni old songs so create mu current songs no. Osmobo ma SM fans. Ni old song. Like my teneko. Ba kwai no ja ba you ba jo. And no create mu. So put some respect on the boy's name because I actually say, obi person dinner te wo hu se kushimbo what kushimbo that park so ayasa to kwa round sa bonya steady na yes we was any braba na me fancy was boom by that girl na ben America me awon nti say try no for line if you ada yedi abaya bi enuane bai na before aduane no ye bedu na so obi aspide obefa ya pon ya na hu se afia mankwa atamakulu abefa work plan e o mfrens afetiri bibi sa afia ba o muni maduane we matam mekọ afia te ho sa me 30 minutes na afia dia wi boys ni nu top na anuane na sa because girl ni nsa no bo mo fanse mo nhia de o ma yesu na afiafo aduane kitchen matters onu ni the brain and the face behind kitchen matters. Try, taste, and testify. And indeed, may testify, say, Ekoye mama. Where do you ekoye mama? Yeka ejane yoba. Yedi ekoye mama. Bicycle pe. No, so fair. I call about Shronko. You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
And I just say, I know who ne fekeke. We and then swefe de akono. Yamin show. Thanks for coming through for us, Friday. Let's talk about kitchen matters. Dabena, what's say?
Kitchen matters. That was 2 years ago.
Wow.
On the 4th of August. Yeah.
That means the 4th of August. We see a better anniversary.
Yes, please.
MC on board.
Yeah.
Made me home to so free of charge. MC. Oh, was more bomb. Now I made me home bar for a yaman because oh yeah, dear. Let's talk about some of the things on one because me sure saying anything now the bar has say. Dear anything sana now no
Bibia, anything about food. Kitchen matters we do for you.
Hey. Papa saying I'm way.
Bibia.
That means also anything about food, just a juice or
local bar.
Okay.
Anything about food, kitchen matters. We are there. That is why our name is Kitchen Matters. So anything about the kitchen, we are there for you.
Moya kekuru. Banchi ma kekuru meye de na menye bi you am fine say agbele kakuru.
Yes.
Bibia. So yes snacks and so ka ho.
Can local bars.
Oh, still ready from and me amu guma jollof straight. Yeah, I heard some of you ania kitchen matters no one we be na to ankomo no eso.
So God in love you bless me some more. Hallelujah. So you want to others what you want to not be everybody. Why sleep for night to wake up, see the light here. See the future is bright here. I need to enter for I. Make you do your best here. Papa God will handle the rest here. Even if you don't get money, they only they shake body. No need to get your body. If it no be God way, last don't be dead body. Nobody be no baby. When you fall.
Enti menuane a wo hu nyina ye kitchen matters. Na insanu nyane a ono anoa. Na we obi a mistake share party bi ase asenia. Why say me who saw that party be so I may take away. Me did you have me be coffee. Wow. Where there?
Where gizzard sauce.
There's a party be cost on us.
Yeah.
Boys, a yes, I'm small sitting beer. But you know, so I say affordable.
Very affordable.
Because slogan beer, I can say, oh, sick beer counting.
Yes.
Sick beer to be crack. Just 500 cities. I'll be seeing a beer man.
Exactly.
Hey, kitchen matter for oh yes, Jenny. Wow. And her drinks are hold on so away. Now no this obolo yes moja bre. Then be now say.
Lamuji, asana, fruit juice, pineapple, watermelon, beetroot.
Hey, who quite chilly. Wow. Oh, small bomb nanka boy birthday, me refi. Kama o popo ka carry and catch it. And get me on that. 18, let's see obi on this wofi. Now, sometimes, busy schedule, no one to me,
Yeah.
We person you still be chef fridge and quite beside small orders.
And fridge and freezer friendly packages.
Hey, kitchen, if I boom away, I know what to need. Wow. Fridge and freezer
friendly packages. Yeah.
And where that sense in you?
And when started free 300.
Oh, wherefore?
Yes.
What's me dinner now watching?
Oh,
wow. I say a point. I'm more than a Juma than you pay him. It will be per se or your program now or show a chair quite apart from your Instagram handle, Kitchen Matters, no other social media platform. Be also
TikTok. It was Instagram, ni TikTok. Ni na Kitchen Matters _GH. And number friend number no. Number is 055 999 8706 055 999 8706.
And now quite holiday day. Responsibly me feel gwenza aduane ni kitchen matters ni aduane ni kitchen matters ni drinks ni sister ni good. They are so when you do one dance here because if you are the chair no yes na sua for makumi amasori amegina he on one when you are different and pese na me so mo na say me ma so a ye be me crucify me ye na nkofo na de aduane na wi o aduane na de yesu ehuna mane wow it's you pesa wo chia adofo na holiday me sure say loved ones be egu ho show o customers o key customers be akwenya ni wadama eni de chia wo nyina one by one.
Okay, with the akwenya we chia my loved ones. So Araba Gifty,
hey.
Good morning to you. Patrick Salomnia Segbe, good morning. Nini, Munina Mohoye, any all other cause. Uncle Boche, hello.
Uncle Boche and Casamato. I say, wow, this still be Uncle Boche watch out. Yeah, you are very calm. I never come to a butcher. Professor Yamaskata and Anuya, oh, a butcher, papa. Obia befawa, me sure so was a butcher and my customers. On media dances so abuche won sa I see ya da sipi for coming to any we dwumadie bia ni a ya de ho talawo e be koso pay o final words to obi bia wo hwe obi opese wo da aduane new client old client final words ni fancy
me pa cho mamu show kitchen matters there your money is worth whatever you order from us. Mia wudi usika men sure say bia oh lady we dey minimum no inti dabi we dey try it's na your slogan here try taste and then you testify. So just come, don't worry, don't be scared about us. Thank you.
But I see such a beautiful young lady our born home modern timpacho follow no TikTok, Instagram at Kitchen Matters, the normal spelling say you guna tadim na Kitchen Matters not where yeah misa odi and for Kitchen Matters na kitchen na mama kitchen and mama matters. Thank you so much for coming. You know you beja na kwan na yasa hwenu nua na no kakra ya ba me wo guy bi wa ha no so cross serious talent was so Afro fusion you pese na chwechen komo na ye share na holiday day ye fa mamo back to back. Kitchen, thanks for coming. Fabo. Let me celebrate my life. Chee! Yeah, let's celebrate. And what's that dripping? Drip Lord, you looking good.
Thank you, sis.
Steve's not wedding. Trousers, no. I wish so miss me on sneakers, no. The whole jacket thing, man. Oh, watch out.
That's it.
Yeah, dear. I have home. Anymore. But so be sure they decaya in a minute. Who are you? Introduce yourself.
My name is NY Melody. I've been doing the music for about 20 years.
Hey!
I'm Yako Kwahu.
Hey, I know where fair.
Yeah, that's it.
Yako Kwahu.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. So if you wanna, because I have 1 minute, you can go check me out on social media. NY Melody Official on both IG and TikTok.
Okay.
And you see more about me.
All right.
Yeah, I'm the face behind one of your favorite songs for sure.
Really?
Yes.
No, and a quick one. You see who's saying now. My freestyle here, we may catch it.
Kumbaya, 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 oh my Lord.
Oh, okay.
Kumbaya, 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 Jehovah. They just wanna rain fire. We just gonna wait on Jehovah. If they wanna rain fire,
oh, wow. Okay.
We just gonna rain on Jehovah.
Oh, I see.
Kumbaya, kumbaya.
Yeah. And that was how many years ago?
Oh, we grew up with it just about a year ago. This one.
Okay, so we share collections for the past 20 years. Which one is the most popping song? Because I knew the ball baby. I'll be able to say this was from NY Melodies.
This one for NY Melodies. Okay, I had one back in the days about 12, 13 years ago.
Okay.
No, that was featuring Apietus.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was featuring Apietus. That was one thing about love is how it makes you feel. Love is like music, makes you feel alright.
Face behind it, you know.
Yes.
And it seems like you are using the dopest sound engineers. So we say K1
Kewa.
Anything.
And you have to put in. I mean, music business is not cheap.
It's not.
And so if you want to go in, you have to be ready to pump in the money.
Wow.
And in saying that as well, that is why the boys must be given their money. Artists no yeah bread.
Oh, when you're not a casa, a holiday casa.
Artists in your bread. Maybe I'm privileged to come from a place whereby I don't have to be a stone boy or can promise to make money.
Okay.
Right. Back in Australia, you will be a friend Apra and Amicus. When you are registered to them, Your bone no more be about cry bit yauka.
Sa.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I was say we are artists right now. Na say be a wono, e be a one Kwahu, and I be a one nam ejiso. Your bone no more Kwahu, bit yauka.
Really?
But here no, it's like you have to be physically there. One bushra when you scar. It's wrong. And I don't know who's in charge of getting the boys their money. By a sermon, you know, the structures need to be put in place so that they can make money. Because you'll be a Juma why you. And look, God forbid, if my time comes, let me feel more. Amen. Maybe be music royalties. And it doesn't matter, even if it's 1 cent. What I say? Even back then, when I was not active, no, $100 be, $58 be, na betum. I buy 10 taxi film. Now they can have a better account. So just imagine, say, at that time, I'm active, I'm $158, not can promise. Just imagine.
Well, so all kind of Australia, someone was here relocating.
Yes.
That's why relocating. That's amazing.
Yeah.
And I had a
oh, yeah, but I mean, it's not that we should do it. It has to be done.
It has to be
done. It has to be done, yeah.
Wow. NY Melodies. Everyone Krabby Breed the Maya. But yeah, still getting to know him and his songs. You know.
Yes.
Maybe another day let's check this out from his collection.
Yeah.
NY Melodies now. Hello to Buesho. Where squad no kumbaya. I wish to be me at the almost Buesho. I think you're okay now. So look at a big artist like Shatawale. Now the royalties of the man on 1,200 Ghana cedis.
Look at that.
Look at the songs he's got.
Look at that. Me cry me no baby crampo. Me more than that.
In Australia.
Yeah, in every 3 months I get more than that.
And I have when 1 year royalties are something that
make. Me make a quarterly payments. I mean,
wow.
That's
but one thing about your brand, your videos are top notch.
Yes.
Your videos near so hooker.
Yeah, I make sure say make sure say in the next 100 years we'll be shy. I mean, it's still
quality, no?
Yes. Same thing like my music. I make sure that the music I do is a timeless songs.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter the era. In the next 3 generations, still it makes sense.
So Daddy Lumba,
exact Daddy Lumba, Kodrenchi. Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
That's great. You're doing amazing. Ain't you know any new projects I say or home come on?
Yes. At the moment, I just came out with Far Away.
Okay.
And it's doing so well, thanks to everybody.
Okay.
It's been almost 5 days, and I think it's crossed 500,000 views already.
Hey, really?
Yes.
How many do you have Far Away now? Yeah, you're checking it out.
I'm going to say, I'm working. It's actually coming out of an EP, and the EP is to be released in about 2 months' time. But me release it Far Away, you know, as a single for now.
Okay.
Then maybe in the next month or half, I'll release a song called I For You.
I For You.
Na ma drop EP ningina. To December.
Okay, all right. So I hope somebody have back to Ghana.
Oh yes.
This is home.
Yes.
Maybe a Fempashu anytime.
Yeah, me port tour, Asia tour.
Okay. Hey, when you rain for no. Oh, go Asia for when you rain for no. Quite keep raising the flag of Ghana so high. You are doing amazing.
That's it.
It's final way. So social media handles. Send a check out more.
Okay, as I said, my name is NY Melody, and you can check me out on social media, NY Melody Official, TikTok, IG. My new song, Far Away, use it for your post. I mean, use it. I'm from far away. I mean, whatever you are doing, celebration, just
content,
use my song.
Just use the song.
Hana omuntu artist I may quite a bit.
Hey,
Mr. Gonna say, Munyusu, Namisu, Miss Minyaka train, do I, Madam?
Oh, you better say, one magic scanner.
Magic.
Oh, such a great conversation. Thank you so much for coming. Yeah, sipping. Yeah, the Far Away, no, Ebe Jump Mokwine, Mark by my director, OPD. My producer Richmond, if you call about director, big shout out to the whole team, MCR, Eugenia Badwam Makeup Department, Master Thomas, AD, Ken Osmosis, and you, Chava. It's you have a point there, come on, freestyle near there.
No problem.
And then clean on the birthday. Oh, happy birthday. Mommy, on Pekasa, if you are not happy birthday to you from all of us. We love you. Keep being amazing. And why I'm an overpound.
That's it.
So when Friend, you're clean and you're very hard working.
The whole so effort.
The whole so effort, but what worry?
Oh, me and my wife.
And you can say,
I'm very happy with my wife.
Hey, what a channel from channel.
Mona, I love you.
Yeah. Why is it can come? Why is it can come?
Yeah, over today.
All right, that's amazing. To match my freestyle,
I went to somebody's town. And everybody there was feeling my style.
Okay.
If you go to somebody's town and everybody saying they're feeling your way, say, I'm from far away land. If you feel my way, man, please don't come my way, love. Learn to celebrate me.
That's dope, man.
Let me celebrate my life.
Let me celebrate you. Let me celebrate it. Go NY. Okay.
Let me celebrate my life.
NY melodies.
Madam, I see
Yes,
your
phone. Get far away, no. Let me jam from NY melodies. Good to have you here.
Thank you.
Bye for
Appreciate it.
now.